Hey there! Today I want to share a fantastic success story from one of our clients, James Edward. James recently left us a glowing review, and I thought it would be great to highlight his experience with Australian Credit Solutions. James said, "I'm really impressed with the credit repair service I received from Australian Credit Solutions. Anjali and Jemima were incredibly helpful, guiding me every step of the way. Thanks to their help, my credit file is now clear, and I couldn't be happier with the outcome. Highly recommend. Isn't that amazing?" James's journey is a perfect example of how personalized and dedicated our credit repair services are. From the moment he reached out, Anjali and Jemima were there to assist him, ensuring that he felt supported throughout the entire process. Clearing a credit file can be a daunting task, but with the right team by your side, it becomes achievable. James's success highlights the importance of having experts who genuinely care about your financial well-being. If you're struggling with your credit file, don't hesitate. Reach out to us at Australian Credit Solutions and let our experienced team guide you, just like we did for James. We're here to help you achieve a clear credit file and a brighter financial future. Thanks for tuning in. If you found James's story inspiring, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more success stories and credit tips. Until next time, take care and stay financially savvy.